Are you dancing for Bear? Dance for Mama. Dance. Are you dancing for Bear? Dance for Mama.
So with that said,
Dance for Bear. Dance. Dance. Dance for Mama.
For they are all my
Dance
friends,
for
and
Bear.
they are all strong connections.
Oh.
So today
Bear's
we'll
on.
explore a little bit about prayer.
You like bear
Get
medicine?
asked for prayer.
Yes.
Prayer for others. Or
Do you like bear medicine? Dance for Bear.
how do you find the words?
Oh, that's nice.
Where does that
Oh, that's nice.
For me, it's about how
Oh, Jojo, that's nice, honey.
the relationship
Bear. You love Bear.
and all of the spirit.
Hi, Bear
It's
Medicine.
simply who I am, and it's part
Hi,
of
Bear
what I do, and
Medicine.
it's part of my everyday life.
You got
Part of
kisses
my
for
routine.
Bear?
Too often,
You got kisses for
people
Bear?
are worried
Here,
about the words
kisses
that they
for
use
Bear.
in prayer, or the
Kisses
fact
for
that
Bear.
perhaps they only ask for
Kiss.
things and put prayer out when they're
Kiss.
in need. People worry about it so much at
Okay,
times
thank
that they
you.
forget that making